what can be more frustrating for modern people than waiting? Nobody likes waiting. Nobody enjoys the lack of understanding of when it will end. It's like a microwave without countdown. Time is money, and every moment of waiting time is also about money. This day, most of us has a fast internet. The most you might see is the loading skeletons of your Instagram when it's down. However, the development of machine learning and integration this technology to our digital products have made this topic of waiting relevant again. During content generation, the waiting time can range from 3 seconds to 3 hours, depending on the complexity of the task. Therefore, when a user interacts with an AI service, it's important to create conditions with an interface where they can control generation process or at least observe it. We help manage their expectations. This aligns with Jacob Nielsen's first heuristic about system status visibility. The solution we receive as a result also has a value. In the realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning, we operate a currency called tokens. With tokens, we can utilize language models from AI providers such as OpenAI and their computational resources. Let's see what might happen when we press on generate button or something similar like an AI preset. We encounter a progress indicator. It can be linear or circular that visually represents the portion of work completed and fills up entirely when it's finished. However, during the AI generation process, it's often challenging to accurately estimate progress, and sometimes we have to resort to misleading or indeterminate indicators. The amount of work can be measured in percentages, the number of stages completed, process files, and so on. Providing user with an estimated time remaining helps them plan their time and maintain control over their expectations. Sometimes we may not have the ability to accurately estimate time, so we attempt to break down the generation process into stages or steps to make it clearer for the user what is happening at the moment and to forecast the process. Another important aspect that should not be underestimated is the interactive real-time generation demonstration. Whenever technically feasible, providing users with the ability to preview part of the generated content before its full completion. It is enhanced predictability and positively impacts the overall user experience. Furthermore, user can also interact with a part of the generated content, especially when they receiving generation results in portions. Another approach is when the system initially offers a low-quality content or low-quality generation, and the user decides whether they want to spend more time and tokens to see the full-quality version. This is particularly relevant and accelerates the learning process of working with the artificial intelligence systems in the initial stages. Alright, we're waiting for 3 hours. The user won't be glued to the screen like a cat staring at one spot. They will want to continue doing other tasks concurrently while something is generating. We can offer them the option to navigate back to the home page or suggest using other services we offer that may be related to their current work. If the wait time reaches 2 or 3 minutes, we can display instructions or interesting facts similar to what is done in some games. It's important to add a notification about the result, which will remind the return the user to this page after the generation is complete. If the generation fails, it's also important to show and notify about it promptly. Additionally, don't forget to give the user the option to cancel the generation process. So, let's summarize. Progress indicators, estimation, breakdown to steps, interactive generation, concurrent work, offer, notification. Check how well you have considered these points.